Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Dirty fridge shelves can transfer bacteria and mold to your food, increasing the risk of contamination and illness. Clean your shelves regularly with warm soapy water. Wipe up spills immediately and avoid placing food directly on dirty surfaces. Keeping your fridge clean means safer storage and fresher food every time.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.